So this is an Android project I've been working on. Originally I did front end, just so all the XML files and making all the buttons usable, bringing up different views, stuff like that. And then the last 2 or 3 weeks, I've been trying to get it to connect to Firebase, and I've got it connected up. And now the big task ahead of me is getting it to display those images in each of the fragments that I'm planning on having it display. So currently, this is what my program is at. So I've got 3 pages. I've got a home page, which I'm in right now, my saved recipes page, and then a meal plan page. And then the home page is it's kind of styled like Tinder, where there's a bunch of different recipes that are going to show up, images of recipes, and then if you swipe left or right, I am listening to that. So yeah, on swipe left and on swipe right, I'm listening for those. And then when they're swiped, I am going to append those recipes to a new database that'll make up your saved recipes. I haven't implemented that yet because all I've been focusing on is getting the images to show up on the home page. Right now, I am successfully getting the images off of my Firebase. So if I pull that up really quick, here's my Firebase. I've got these images, and then it's cooked up through this real-time database. So here's my real-time database. It just has the name and then the URL to that image location. So if I copy this real quick, I'm gonna look it up. That should be the image for the salad. And right now I am successfully getting those images. Let's see, not in my logcat, but it's going to be in my logcat. So I'm successfully getting those images. I can run it again real quick too. It should show up right here. So there, I've got my 3 images and they're getting pulled in. And then I've been working for forever trying to get it to build the fragment and bind that image to the image view for that page. Here's another project I've got going on. They do it in a similar way. I followed a tutorial for this one to just try and figure out how to use the Picasa library to get images to bind and display on image views. And they did something like this. I haven't gotten it to work yet. But I have successfully on this gotten the image to get pulled in and show up, although I think I've changed that now, so it's not working. So let me close that and run this one, and we'll see. I think right now it might just pull up a URL to the image and not actually display the image. And I'm running Zoom and 2 instances of Android Studio, and now trying to build a project on a emulator, so it might never load in. But in fact, I'm just going to cancel it. It's not going to happen. Anyway, I am exhausted from working on this project. I feel like I've been going at it for forever. It's only been 5 weeks or something like that in total working with Android Studio. I've learned a ton, but I think in order to really be successful, I need to go back and start using this this documentation that they have. I mean, the Android Kotlin Java documentation is just phenomenal. And they have so many great tutorials, and so I think probably just starting over. And you know, it's a whole different language, whole different environment, whole different operating system. So probably smart to just start from the very, very beginning again and you know, hopefully the things that I've been trying to implement will make a lot more sense by the time I get there. But that is pretty much it for now. I wish I had the images to show for all the work I've done, but it's okay. Next time. And I'll keep at it and maybe post another video when it's finished and I have something that I like. But yeah.